Look at your hands for a moment. Your skin, your hair, even the shape of your fingers are built from a chemical code. A set of instructions written in DNA that tells your body how to grow, repair itself, and survive. For a long time, scientists believed this code was purely an Earth invention. Life formed here, evolved here, and stayed here. But what if that assumption is wrong? What if the instruction manual for life literally fell from the sky?
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
This is the story of meteorites that didn't just bring rocks to Earth, but carried the actual letters of DNA. In 1969, a meteorite exploded over Australia and scattered fragments across the town of Murchison. But inside that rock was something extraordinary. Scientists discovered amino acids, the basic building blocks of proteins. To store information, life needs nucleobases. The chemical letters known as adenine, cytosine, guanine, thymine, and uracil. For decades, scientists searched meteorites for these letters. They found a few, but not all. Some were always missing. It was like trying to read a message by burning the paper it was written on. In 2022, a research team led by Professor Yasuhiro Oba decided to try something different, a kind of chemical cold brew. And this time it worked. Inside the Murchison meteorite, they found all 5 nucleobases, every single letter needed to write DNA and RNA. The results were published in Nature Communications, and they changed everything. Because this discovery proved something crucial. These building blocks do not need a planet to form. They can be created in space. In the early solar system, asteroids and dust grains were constantly exposed to ultraviolet radiation. Simple molecules like hydrogen cyanide, water, and ammonia reacted on icy surfaces. Slowly, step by step, chemistry turned into complexity. Space wasn't empty. It was a laboratory. Long before Earth had oceans, continents, or life, these rocks were already preparing the ingredients. Now imagine early Earth. For billion years ago, our planet was violent and unstable. Volcanoes everywhere. Then came the delivery. Millions of carbon-rich meteorites rained down over millions of years, each one carrying organic molecules, amino acids, sugars, and now, we know, the letters of genetic code. Earth didn't have to invent everything from scratch. It received help. Life on Earth may not be purely homegrown. And if that happened here, it could happen anywhere. If nucleobases form easily in space, then planets across the galaxy are being seeded with the same ingredients. This shifts how we think about life itself. Life may not be a rare accident. It may be a natural consequence of chemistry wherever conditions allow. We are not just made of star stuff in a poetic sense. We are literally built from molecules forged beyond Earth. Meteorites didn't just shape our planet's surface. They may have shaped our biology. So when we ask, are we alone? We may be asking the wrong question. A better one might be, if life exists elsewhere, does it use the same letters? The same A, C, G, T, and U? Or did the universe write multiple versions of the same story? Because if the building blocks are everywhere, then life may be following a universal recipe. Different flavors, same ingredients. And that means this tiny rock orbiting an average star is not special because it has life. It's special because it kept the delivery. So here's the question for you. If alien life exists somewhere in the galaxy, do you think it uses the same DNA code as we do? Or something completely different? Let me know what you think.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.